Well, fall is almost here and I have one last project I want to get done before winter hits. I have loose paint on my house. I have old wood fascias, the paint is peeling, and I have to get up there, get the paint removed, and get a fresh coat of paint on it before snow flies. What I'm using today is a old orbital disc sander. I got this 25 years ago from my dad. Still works like a charm. It is as loud as can be. So I want to make sure that I'm using ear protection so I don't damage my ears. And I also am going to be wearing a dust mask. Also, don't forget to wear eye protection. You do not want to get dust in your eyes. One thing I want to note about dust is if your house was built, I believe, before 1950, you're going to want to check with the local ordinances to see what their rules are on lead removal. Your house could have lead paint on it, and you do not want to just be grinding that off with an orbital sander and potentially getting that into the air, into the ground. So check with your local ordinances if you have an older home. Like I said, check the dates on that. I'm not really sure, but you want to be safe when it comes to lead paint. All right, let's get started. Well, there you go, guys. That's a quick way of removing paint off of a surface where the paint is peeling, the wood is weathered. Like I said, you want to get down to the fresh color of the wood as you grind down. And if the paint is not coming off, don't keep grinding. It's sticking to the wood. It's doing its job, so you don't have to just grind through it all. You'll save yourself a lot of time and a lot of effort, and that's what it's really all about. Now, one thing I will note is I like to use Kills primer. It works really good. It's a latex exterior primer. Works great as long as you're applying it in the manufacturer's specifications. Also, I like to use Sherwin-Williams paint. I am not getting any kind of promotion for telling you that, but I do believe their products are great. Behr paint works great too. There's a lot of other good paints out there. The biggest thing I will say is make sure you follow their specifications. If you follow what they are telling you to do on putting that paint on, you will more than likely be in good shape. Hey, thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you guys next time.